Local eSIMs are really quite easy now. But I helped somebody else. She said her phone stopped working when she was in port, and what does she do? And we just Googled for the best eSIM in Japan, because that's the only place she cared about, and we came up with mobile. And for 50 gigabytes for 16 days, it was only $27. Data only, no phone number. What you do is you just go to the website, sign up and pay, and then you get a QR code to scan with your phone that starts the setup process. Then there are instructions, and you need to pay close attention. It's easy, but there are several little settings that you do have to type into the settings, and then turn on roaming. And let me just show you both on the Android and on the iPhone. So on the Android, to work with an eSIM, you go into Settings and Connections and SIM Manager. And notice right there, add an eSIM. And then you would be prompted to scan a QR code and follow the instructions. On iPhone, very similar. You just go into Settings, and Cellular, and eSIMs. There we are right there. Now I have installed a few more eSIMs on this one, and notice I only have one of them on, and the others are off. When you add a new one, you would want to turn that on and turn on roaming. So it's a lot easier now than it used to be to stay connected worldwide. And then there are international eSIMs. Airalo, A-I-R-A-L-O, and Saily, S-A-I-L-Y, are the two best known ones. And they, with just one eSIM, gives you access to hundreds of countries worldwide, and you can pay for a whole year that way.